PresleyTarian here, and today we're at an Overwatch League match, which I'm so excited for. I have my Thunder Sticks, and I'm very excited. I'm trying to figure out how to blow these up right now, and failing epically, but yes, we might be able to do a little bit of a backstage thing, which is like a possibility, and I'm super excited about showing you guys that, but we should have some cool footage of the game, and I'm just super excited to be here and supporting my teams and having a blast.
Let's make a run together, I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide.
So we got to go backstage, we saw the control rooms, we saw people broadcasting out pure gameplay to other countries so that that country's commentators can do it in that country's native language, which was super cool. I didn't know there were different broadcasts for each country, and now I'm really curious. I feel like I kind of want to watch one of the commentators in Japanese to practice my Japanese.
The sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide.
It was a great time. Everyone was super duper nice. The Valiant team actually complimented me on my stuff, and I got one of the highest compliments I've ever received. Is one of the people who was in the room asked my dad, like, so she's 12, which I get a lot. It's just people like sort of not believing I'm 12 for some reason, even though I look like a fetus. And then she's American, which is the best compliment I've ever gotten in my life. That was very funny and really, really nice. It was so amazing, and I'm really looking forward to doing it again. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to press the subscribe button to see more videos like this. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!